Hi, welcome back to Leo Nature. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a den. I've noticed that in other videos showing how to make a den, they've used string or paracord. So this video I'm going to show you how to make a den in a survival situation without any string or other man-made materials. I hope the sound quality in this video is okay because my naughty dog here ran off with the fluffy microphone. The first thing to do is to find a good site to build a den. When choosing a site, you'll need to make sure you find somewhere where the ground will stay dry overnight, and the higher the better, away from any ditches as well. So here looks pretty good. For the main frame, we're going to need to get 2 oversized thumbsticks like these and a straight pole. We're going to get them, stab them into the ground like this. And the other one, you're going to get a straight pole and put them in between, like this. What I'm doing here is getting lots of straight hazel poles and leaning them across the horizontal pole. Eventually you will have 2 walls on each side of your den, and then you're going to need lots of thin poles to weave through the walls like so. Right, now I'm going to get about 20 more of these sticks and weave them in. You should see a bit more of a difference later on. The next step is to get lots of the offcuts of foliage and place them in between the weaves. This will keep us dry and warm overnight. Like this. going to need some more leaves. That's about it. Should we have a look inside? Oh wow, this looks really cool. Thank you for watching. I hope you had fun whilst building your den. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.